dot. Sorry for the slight delay. But it is 1 o'clock on the dot. And yeah, let us start. Let us start. Just there was a slight delay. I did not see the time. It got away from me. It got away from me. So thank you. Thank you for everyone. And yeah, let us start. Let us start today. So we're doing 3 digits by 4. We're dividing 3 digits by 4 digits. We're dividing 3 digits by 4 digits. That's the division we're doing. We're dividing 3 digits by 4 digits. I hope everyone is well and happy this Monday afternoon. And please, guys, keep your videos off. And yeah, keep your videos off. Let us have a good lesson. Please keep your videos off at all times, and let us focus, let us work together. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at word problems specifically. We're going to be looking at word problems with or without remainders, but we're going to be looking at word problems. One thing I'd love to state is that please contact me either through Twitter or email. If you have any problem, please contact me either through Twitter or email. I do not know how I can further stress this. Is please just contact me either through Twitter or email if you are struggling. If you find that you're having a problem, please contact me either through Twitter or email. I would not want to have any of you having a problem. But if you do have a problem, you should never fear to ask for help. You know, help is very easy to get. Help is the easiest thing you can get in life. So I beg that you please, I beg we please always take this thing seriously of saying that if you need help, ask for it. If you need help, ask for it and it will be offered. It will be there free of charge. Right. So here's my Twitter handle. Here's my email address. I'll also put it in the chat so that you guys are able to have my email address with you. With or without remainders, we're doing word problems. So I gave you guys homework on Friday, and I asked you guys to do me a favor. I said, please try and find out what can be done to the classes to make them more suited for you guys. I ask that you tell us or you tell me what can be done to the classes to make them more suited for you. What can we add? What can we subtract? What can we do to the classes to make them more suitable for you? So while you're writing down the corrections for the homework, any of you can just tell me what can we do to the classes to make them more suitable for you? What can be done? What do you guys feel can be done to the classes to make them more suitable, more enjoyable? You can also put it in the chat, or you can just raise your hand so we can get a few hands to tell us what can be done to the classes to make them more of a wholesome experience. What can we do to this maths class that can make you guys understand maths better? I just need 3 hands and then we start with our lesson. Anyone? What do you feel we can do so that you guys can find yourself understanding maths better? All right. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm well. What can we do to our classes to make them better for you to understand?
So we can play Kahoot on every Friday, sir.
All right,
So
all right.
Kahoot is basically a game that you test what you've learned.
All right, all right. Okay, I hear you. I hear
So
you. Yes. All right. I think it's you have a problem with your network, but thank you. Um, I I have no problem. Um, I have no problem with the idea at all. I have no problem with the idea at all. Let me master it, and then after I master it, I will tell you. Hello?
hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm well.
Could you maybe use some fun examples when you're breaking down a big sum?
Such as? Such
20,
as?
like 20 apples, rainbows, or anything.
All right, cool. No problem. I like to use real life examples, but I don't mind. I really don't mind. Thank you guys for that feedback. Thank you guys so much for that feedback. Right. Let us get into the lesson. Can I just get notification of how many people are done writing down the corrections? I just need 5 people to tell me whether they are done writing the corrections for the homework of Friday. I need 5 people to talk to me to tell me no whether they're done writing down the corrections for the homework. Please, please, please. As well, please keep the chat to the class. Please keep the chat to the class. Please keep the discussion within it or outside of it according to the class. Please do that. Right, so I have, all right, I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Right, so we spoke about long division and we said we have a dividend, a divisor, a quotient, and a remainder. And we said that we use our divisor to divide our dividend by a digit by digit process. So instead of dividing the whole number by this, which would take us some time because we wouldn't really need to think, we said that, no, let's do it using a digit by digit process. And we said that we never ever, unless we've passed the first number in the quotient, divide a small number by a big divisor. We never ever do that unless we find that within the quotient, this number here, within the answer, we find that we've passed the first number, now we're going into the other numbers, and now we're meeting a problem where after bringing down the number that you're dividing with, or the divisor is bigger than the number that you found after bringing down. So it shows that you have a 0 in your quotient. So we did all of that. And we said that it's a process of saying divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. It's a repetitive process. It's the same process over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. It doesn't really change. Just divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Then we said word problems we're looking for when they speak about split into equal groups, such as sharing, splitting, or giving equally. So when they speak of sharing, splitting, or giving equally, that's when we know we're dealing with long division in terms of a word problem. So here's a word problem, guys. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do this word problem. After the 3 minutes, we're going to do, this is how we're going to work today. So I give you a word problem, you're going to investigate with it, and then we're going to do the answers together for each and every word problem. We have quite a few, so please, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do it, and then after the 3 minutes, we're going to go into a correction. So after the 3 minutes, we're going to go into corrections. 3 minutes have started. Your 3 minutes have started. So I want you to work this out, no calculators at all. And then after that, after the 3 minutes, then you guys were going to go into corrections where you guys are going to be the ones to tell me how did we get the answer. Please, no calculators at all. Please refrain from calculators. Please refrain from calculators. Also, please do not put the answer in the chat. Please do not put the answer in the chat. Please. And I know some people are very super excited. Guys, please don't use a calculator. It helps no one, a calculator. A calculator helps nobody. I do not know how I can further stress that a calculator helps no one. So please, 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 please work this out as quick as possible. Work this out as quick as possible, and then you can help us with the corrections. So I'm going to take a back seat today only for you guys that we can do this together. Yes, Cindy has a fruit farm that produces 5,555 oranges and sells them in boxes of 55. How many full boxes will be packed in order to sell? How many full boxes will be packed in order to sell? About 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Time up. Anyone with the answer and is able to explain to us how we got the answer? Remember, with word problems, we're looking for why and how. Why did you use that method? And how did you use it? Or how did you go through with it? So why did you use the method and how? So anyone who can tell us what did they do to get the answer? Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm well. So how did you get the answer and what method did you use?
So, sir, my answer is 101. And the way
All
I got
right.
it is that I saw 55 into 5,555. So then I put
What?
55 into the first two digits, which
Uh-huh.
are 5, and then so that went once. So I put a 1 there. Then I
All right.
multiplied 1 times 55, and
Let's
that's 55.
my darling,
Then
let's do this. Let me put it up like this so everyone can see. Right. So let's
yes,
start
sir.
again. Again explaining. Now you the teacher, I'm gonna be quiet. Right.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
sir. So my answer is 101. So then what
all
I did
right.
is I saw 55 into 5,555. And
All
so I
right.
put it into the first two digits, which are
Uh-huh.
5. So I saw that
Yes.
went once. So I put a 1 there, and then I multiplied 1 times 55, which is 55. Then
All
I
right.
subtracted, which is equal to 0. Then I
Uh-huh.
brought down the 5, so I said 55 into 5 goes 0 times. So I put a 0 there, multiplied 0 times 55, and the answer is 0. So then I subtracted that, and my answer is 5. Then I brought down the
Uh-huh.
other 5, and then I saw 55 into 55 goes once. So I put a
Uh-huh.
1 there, and then I multiplied 1 times 55, which is 55. Then I simply subtracted, and that's my final answer.
You are a genius. You are a born genius.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You are a genius. Beautiful. I do not know how best to explain this. Let me just maybe just jump on the thunder and say the most important part out of everything is the process. And the process is always the same. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. That was a beautiful explanation. Um, I don't know. That was a beautiful explanation. That was a fantastic explanation. I am truly envious of you. I am jealous of you that you were able to do such an explanation that is so amazing. That was the best explanation in the world. I don't know. Um wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was the best explanation in the world. And why did you use long division? Remember they said that there are 5,555 oranges. They are packed into groups of 55. Want to know how many 55s are there in this 5,555, which is 101. That's how we'll know how many boxes are packed. So it must be a really big farm. Can I please get a notification of how many people are done writing down the correction if they got it wrong? I just need to get notification from at least 5 people. 5 people to tell me that they're done writing down the correction. We'll move on to the next one. But thank you so much for that explanation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's going into my history books. Right, so I've got 2. I need at least 3 or 4 more to tell me that they're done. So I've got 3 now. I've got 4. I need 2 more. Then I move on to the next slide. 2 more people to tell me that they're done. And I move on to the next slide. 2 more people to tell me that they're done. And I move on to the next slide. Going once. Going twice. I think some of you are still busy. I just need one more person to tell me that they're done writing. Remember I said, guys, there are many ways to get the information. You can screenshot, you can screen grab, you can live record. There's so many ways to get the information down. We don't have to always resort to the pen and paper. But there's nothing wrong against the pen and paper because the pen and paper is the way I started and it brought me to who I am today. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next question. Here's your next question. McDonald's makes 101,660 burgers and sells 230 a day. How many days will it take them to sell all the burgers? So they've made the burgers, they sell 230 a day. How many days will it take them to sell all the burgers? I am going to give you guys 3 minutes to do this one as well. 3 minutes to do it. Your 3 minutes have started. 101,660 burgers, and they sell 230 a day. How many days will it take them to sell all the burgers? They're probably Big Macs. Right, you've got 2 minutes, 30 seconds. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. You've got 2 minutes, 30 seconds. If you guys are gonna need more time, do tell me. If you're gonna need more time to do this, do tell me. But if you're done, you'll tell me. Please, do not be afraid to tell me that, no, sir, I need more time, or sir, or struggling. I have no problem, because that means that you're actually active in the lesson and you're participating, and students who participate in the lesson make the lesson successful. You guys make the lesson more successful than we do as teachers, because it shows that once you guys understand something, we're done for the day. We've done our job. So please, please do not be afraid to not understand, and do not be afraid to ask for help. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. Is there anyone done yet? I still see that you guys are still busy. Right, means this one must be a bit challenging. But that is awesome. Right, so we have, I need more time. Okay. I'll give you guys another 2 minutes on top of this one. So we'll have 4 minutes instead. 4 minutes now. Four minutes. Three minutes left. 3 minutes. Three minutes left. 3 minutes. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. You can raise your hand in the meantime if you are ready with our answer. You can raise your hand if you're ready with our answer to explain how you got everything, how you got the answer and whatsoever. So you can raise your hand if you're ready to explain to us how you got the answer. And then I can just quickly unmute you and life becomes easy because that means that I get to see whether we are all on the same page. But so far, I see that we are all on the same page. So I'll just need someone to raise their hand in the group, someone who has not explained yet, to say, how did they get the answer? Do not be afraid. If it did take you some time, it's a good thing. But you still have some time left over, about a minute left to do the sum. Got about a minute left to do the sum. Thirty seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Who's ready with our answer? Who is ready with our answer? Who has actually, someone new. I need somebody who has never answered for us to try and explain to us, how did you get the answer? I need somebody who has never explained to us already, how did they get the answer? If not, then I have to go back to, I have to open it to anyone. So it's going once. Anyone who has not explained to us, come on, guys, come on. Who has not explained to us how they got the answer? Anyone? Going once, going twice. Right. Got. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
How are you? How
I'm fine,
are
and you?
I'm
I'm
good.
fine, and
How
you?
did you get the answer?
I got the answer by, right? The sum is 101,660 divided by 230. So I said
What is your answer?
230. My answer is 442.
Let's see. Right. Explain. I am the student, you are the teacher.
So I said that 230 going into 1,016, and I got 920. Then I said 900, and then I said 1,016 minus 920, and it gave me 96. So then I dropped down.
You put the 4. Did you put the 4?
No. Yes, sir.
All right. So you said 4. So
Then
first
I said
this into this, right?
yes, sir.
And then you said that it goes 4 times, or you found it's 920, which was 4 times 230 is 920. You subtracted
Yes,
256. All right, let's move on from that. Let's
and
move
then
on.
I put down the 6. Then I said 230 going into 96. Then it get 230 going to 966, and it gave me 4 again. Then I said
All right.
4 times 230, and it gave me 96. Then I said 966 minus 920, and that gave me 46. Then I put down the 0. Then I said 230 going into 460 goes 2 times, and then I said 2 times 230 equals 460, and 460 minus 460 equals 0.
That was the best explanation in the world. Also, you're a super student. Thank you so much. Thank you
Welcome, sir.
so much. Thank you so much. I've been humbled. I've been humbled. Wow. I love the explanations I'm getting. Guys, just to jump on that explanation, divide, multiply, subtract. Sorry about that. Yes, that looks like it's not doing well in life. Let us just get another one that's all right. Subtract, bring down. The constant process. The constant process. It doesn't change. It stays the same. The last question, then I'm going to allow for the last 2 questions, then we'll have to close shop. Can I just get 5 people to tell me whether you guys are done writing down the corrections? Please, as quickly as possible, because we have about 5 minutes left of our lesson. Then we have to go into homework. So please, can I just be notified if you guys are done writing down the corrections of this? I need about 5 people to tell me if they're done writing down the correction of this. All right, I just need about 5 people to say, no, sir, we are done. That is awesome. I think I have my 5 already, but I want to make sure of it. So if you've not said you're done already, please just tell me you're done so that I can see that if you guys are done with it, so I can move on to the next slide. That was a beautiful explanation, like the one before that. You guys, you've surely put my heart at rest. You surely put my heart at rest. You've surely put my heart at rest. I can't explain how grateful I am that you guys are such super students. I can't express it at all. I take that everyone is done. Let me move quickly. Let us swiftly move along to the last 2 questions. Let's leave this one. Let's come here. So I'll give you guys about 5 minutes to do this. 5 minutes to do this one. Your 5 minutes start now. 5 minutes to do these 2 questions. Then we're going to do corrections. 5 minutes. They're not that difficult, so let's just try them. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. Please try this ones. Then we'll show the homework and then we're done for the day. We're going to focus on, let me see, the first one. So we're going to do corrections for the first one. Looking at the time, the first one is the one we're going to likely do corrections for only. 3 minutes left. 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 Awesome. I think we're at the 2-minute mark. We're at the 2-minute mark. All right. I see a lot of people are done. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I see a lot of people are done. That is beautiful. I see a lot of people are done. All right, all right, all right, all right. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. One more minute, then we have to go into corrections. So if you are ready to help us and you've not answered before, please raise your hand. If you're ready to help us with the answer and you've not answered before, please raise your hand. If you've not answered before, please raise your hand. Please, please, please raise your hand. If you've not answered before, please raise your hand. I beg of you. If you've not answered before, please raise your hand. Wow. Okay, I have my victim. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, you?
I'm good. What is my answer? What is the answer?
So the answer for number 1 is 1001.
1001. All right, let's go to number 1. Please, quickly as possible, explain to us how you got everything.
250 divided
Yes.
by 2, you can't. 250 divided by 25, you cannot. 250 divided by 250, you can. Equals to, you minus it, it's equals to 0.
Yes.
That means 1, you put 1 at the top. 250 divided by 2, you can't. 250 divided by 220, 250 divided by 25, you cannot. 250 divided by.
So let's do this step by step, right? I know I said we must be quick. Right?
By 200.
Let's do it step by step. Let's do it step by step. We said 250 into 250 goes once. 1 times 250 is 250, right? We subtract 250 minus 250, it's 0. Down there, 2. 2 into 250 into 2 is what? 0. Why? Because it's small, smaller than that. So then what happens is that 0 times 250 is 0. 2 minus 0 is what? 2. Bring down the 5. Wow, what happened here? Then, after bringing down the 5, I said 215 to this 25 doesn't work out, so it's a 0. 0 times 250 is 0. 25 minus 0 is what? 25. Bring down the 0. 250 into 250 goes once. 1 times 250 is 250. 250 minus 250 is 0. But all in all, beautiful explanation. All in all, beautiful explanation. I feel maybe that your network did not work with us, but it's fine. All in all, beautiful explanation. Please quickly write this down so I can give you guys your homework. Please write this down so I can give you guys your homework. Beautiful explanation. Thank you so much. I think there was a problem with your network. So I'll quickly write this down. I just need notification that you guys are done writing this down. And then we go and I show you your homework and then we're done for the day. Please quickly write this down so we can be done so we can go to our homework. Please write this down as quick as possible if you do not have the answer. And I just need to be told how many people are done. I need 3 more to tell me that they're done. Remember I told you guys there are new ways that we're using to get our answers these days. So I got 3 now who are done. I need a few more, like 2 more. And then I move on to the next slide, which is our homework. Two more. All right. Got everyone? Homework. So guys, here's your homework. Thank you guys for the beautiful lesson. All right. Thank you guys for the beautiful lesson. Thank you so much for that we got to work together. Thank you so much. Here is the homework. Please write it down and please have a wonderful afternoon. We will meet same time tomorrow. Please be safe, stay awesome, stay amazing. Thank you guys for attending the lessons. Please continue to do the good work that you're doing. Continue to be the super students that you are. You guys, the world is yours. The world is yours. You guys are amazing. You've understood a concept that has defeated many and you've conquered it. You've conquered it and you've just gone overboard with it. So thank you. Please always remember that you guys are legends. And for me, since this is the homework and I'm sure you guys have written it down, it is going to be bye-bye from me. It's going to be bye-bye. I love you guys all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.